Did your old GCash number become a digital ghost, leaving your TikTok shop payments hanging? Don't worry, I'll show you the quick and easy way to link a new GCash number to your TikTok shop. First, fire up your TikTok app and tap on Profile in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, look for the hamburger menu, those three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and give it a tap. From the options that pop up, select Settings and Privacy. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down until you find Orders. Tap on that, it's usually under the Account section. You will be routed to the Order page. On the top of it, there will be Shop Orders. Tap on that. On the top right corner of your screen, there is a Settings icon. Tap on that, and you will see Linked GCash account on the bottom of your screen. Tap the Change or Unlink button next to your current GCash number. TikTok will likely ask you to verify your identity, so follow the on-screen instructions. It might involve a code sent to your old number, or other verification methods. After you've successfully unlinked the old number, you will be prompted to enter your new GCash number. Double-check that you've typed it correctly to avoid any payment hiccups. TikTok will then send a verification code to your new GCash number. Enter this code into the TikTok app to confirm your new linked account. And that's it. Your new GCash number is now linked to your TikTok shop, ensuring smooth sailing for your future transactions. Easy peasy, right?